I wanna see you back it up, back it up.
With the red, she the plug, she finesse, she the one they call the girl.
Hello my cuties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a glow up / transformation video, and given the global pandemic, obviously we can't really go to salons right now and take care of ourselves like we normally would, but I hope that this video inspires you to let you know that you can do these things for yourselves at home for a fraction of the price. So yeah, let's get into it. Alrighty my cuties, so I just hopped out of the bathtub right now and I put on my face mask, and I'm just gonna leave it on until it's dry or for like 10 minutes. And this is the face mask, you guys. I live by this shit. It is amazing. It is really amazing. Like, I feel like my skin feels so smooth, so clean after I use it. It really feels like it actually goes into your pores and takes out all the gunk out of there. And yeah, and actually my skin has been really bad, you guys. Well, it's actually recovering now, but I tried this other product that everyone seems to be vouching for on Instagram, but honey, it did not work for me. Okay, so if you guys have like any tips and tricks on how to like get rid of dark spots, like let me know. And I'm also gonna be putting on this Skin Republic eye mask, and yeah, hopefully I'll be glowing after this. Alrighty guys, so I just come back from washing out my face mask, and when I tell you, my skin feels so amazing, so beautiful. It feels squeaky clean when I tell you, okay? So I really vouch for those two products. They're really amazing. And I obviously have a whole lot of dark spots, as you guys can see. Like, I had so many pimples, you guys, and it left a whole lot of dark spots. Now luckily I don't have the pimples anymore, and that's because I stopped using the product, and now I'm just using my black soap, keeping it natural. And yeah, but if you guys have any remedies, please plug your girl, okay? Because this is not my portion. Like, And also I burnt my nail while making food, so Alrighty guys, so this is what I'm going to be using to tint my eyebrows. This is my second attempt. The first time it did not go that well, but let me show you guys what you're going to need. So this is the dye, lash and brow dye, from the Julienne brand. You can get this at any discount. And then you need hydrogen peroxide volume 10. I don't know if this is actually, yes, 10 volume. And yeah, you guys, I just have my tweezers here in case I need them, the spoolie, which is what I'm going to use to apply the dye to my eyebrows, a little glass container, which is what I'm going to use to mix everything in there, because they say use a glass container. It is a little big, so you can use anything smaller. And I have a few cotton swabs and some earbuds, so that if anything gets a little messy, we can clean it up real quick, fast in a hurry. Alrighty you guys, so I bought this dye about a year ago and I just haven't used it ever since, and obviously I lost the packaging, which is where the instructions are, so your girl had to go on the internet and figure out how the hell am I supposed to mix this thing, how the measurements are. And they said to use 1 centimeter of the dye. I ended up using 2 because obviously. And they said you should use 1 centimeter of the hydrogen peroxide, and in my head I'm thinking, how am I supposed to use 1 centimeter of liquid? Like, please make it make sense. Please make it make sense to me, because I'm not getting it. So I figured there's probably a paste, a hydrogen peroxide paste that I don't have. I have the liquid solution, and apparently if you have the liquid solution, you should just mix it into the paste until it's a creamy consistency, which I personally feel like is not descriptive enough, because there's a different range, like a wide range of what creamy is. But it worked out in the end. So yeah. Alrighty guys, let's do this. I'm gonna go ahead, took a lot on there, and I'm just gonna brush and hope for the best. Okay you guys, so what I'm gonna do is, the thing is now I have eyebrows. Like, I literally have this argument with my boyfriend all the time. I do have eyebrows, it's just that they grow very low, and I've already got very hooded eyes, so I feel like the fact that my eyebrows grow like after the arc, it just goes way too low, and I want it to go a little bit higher just so it can like wake my eye up. You get what I'm saying? So I always just shave off, like completely shave off this bottom part. And right now I'm gonna attempt to dye it on. So yeah, let's do this. I'm even doing this with a spoolie if this doesn't work out. Okay, so right now I'm just going to take my earbud and I'm going to clean around the eyebrow just so it's nice, clean and crisp. And I'm also going to remove a little bit more product from the beginning of the eyebrow because I just want it to look a little bit more natural. Alrighty you guys, so this is how it's looking and this side is gorgeous. This side I'm not too sure what's going on, but I will say that I was hoping rather that it would be a lot more pigmented, and it's not, but I will take this because the last time you guys like a mess. Okay, so I'm really impressed with the results, and I will say if maybe I got black it was going to be a little bit more pigmented than it is, whereas I got dark brown, so I guess this kind of makes sense. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and will you be trying it out yourselves? And if you do, I would recommend that you get the pre-mixed one because this whole mixing it yourself is just stressful. I'm not even sure if I'm doing the right thing, so it's just like save yourself the trouble and get a pre-mixed one. Okay. Okay you guys, so moving on to the nails, and I just want to start off by saying I really apologize for the quality drop that you guys are about to experience in 3, 2, 1. There it is. I'm really sorry for this you guys, but it's not going to stay like this forever. I don't know what happened in the process of me moving the files from one phone to another. The quality really dropped, so I'm going to try and be as descriptive as possible so that you guys can follow along. But as you guys can see, you just go ahead and pick the nail that suits or fits your natural nails best, and some nails are not going to fit, so you're going to have to like file it out so that it fits your natural nails better. And right now I'm just filing it into the shape that I like. I really like coffin, so I always go for that shape, and I don't use any nail clippers at this point. I just use the filer because I feel like it creates the best shape for me personally. And I'm also going to take a buffer and I'm just going to buff out the shine of the press on nail because I feel like nail polish takes better when the nail is buffed out. And I'm also going to buff the inner side of the nail so that it sticks to my natural nail better. And there we go, the quality is finally better. And right now I'm just gonna take you know, one of those things that you use to hang things, like the press on hangers, and I'm gonna stick the nail onto there using press stick. And you guys, I find that this is literally the best way to do it, because if you stick on the nails prior and then try to do your nail polish afterwards, like it's just messy. I don't know, I'm not a patient person, so I can't be waiting for like 30 minutes for the nail polish to dry. Like I got things to do, so this is the best way to do your nail polish and not let it like get all messed up as you get busy. And you can also like put on nail art. That's what I love about this technique. And so yeah, you guys, right now I'm just prepping my natural nails for the application, just lightly buffing them. You don't want to overdo this part because this can ruin your nails. And I'm just gonna take the press on nails and I'm gonna use this to push back my cuticles. Again, don't overdo this because you're not a professional, so you don't want to ruin your natural nails in the process. And yeah, I'm gonna take my nail polish remover and just go over my nails one more time. This is also in preparation for the application. It's gonna help the nails stick onto your natural nails better. So this is the glue that comes inside the packaging. I would personally recommend that you get a different glue because as much as the glue does what it's supposed to do, I feel like it's not that strong. As you guys will see, actually I popped off like a couple of nails before the end of this video, but to be fair, I did record the video over a space of 3 days because I had to study and do assignments in between. So yeah, but anyway, back to these nails. As you guys can see, I put the glue on the nail and not my actual nail, and I press it on, and I press it on for about 10 to 15 seconds, and you should be good to go afterwards. And yeah, I'm repeating the process so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, but that's pretty much it. Oh, and before I forget to mention, you guys, I bought these nails from Clicks for 75 Rand. I believe the brand is called Beautiful Woman, and there's 100 nails inside one pack, so I feel like it's really affordable and really amazing. Alrighty you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and bleach my wig. As you guys can see, it has already been previously bleached, and that's because I wanted to bleach it in like 2 steps. I didn't want to go all in all at once because I feel like that can be very damaging, so I took it step by step because I do want a whole ombre effect. So I did bleach the the ends first, so that when I go around with the second layer, it's, you know, the transition just makes a little bit more sense. I am going to be using a highlight kit, and that's mainly because my beauty supply store that I usually get my bleach from just does not have stock, and a highlight kit is so annoying because it's so expensive and there isn't enough product in there, and that's mainly because obviously it's just for highlighting. So I'd recommend, if you are going to use a highlight kit as well, buy the refill kit if you're going to be using it to bleach your hair. If you are going to be using it to highlight, of course, then get the highlight kit, not the refill kit, because it comes with everything that you're going to need to highlight. But yeah, you guys, unfortunately I won't be able to actually record the process of me bleaching my wig, and that's mainly because I don't have a tripod right now. But if you guys would like for me to show you guys the process on another wig, which I'm thinking of actually bleaching anyway, just let me know down in the comment section and I will do that for you guys. So I just wanted to pop by before I get dressed and just show you guys how beautiful she turned out, because I know I didn't like show you guys when I was done bleaching it, but she looks good or whatever. I'm really so impressed with this. Yeah, like I'm so in love with this, you guys. I wish I had actually gone blonde a little bit sooner, because like, do you see me though? Do you see me? And I'm done doing my makeup. I'm just having a tough time like deciding what to wear, so hence I'm still in my gown, but it's between like 3 different outfits. But I figured maybe I should just pop back in here and say my goodbyes in this vlog. I'm probably gonna do like a slideshow. Like, I'm gonna just take a couple of pictures before the sun goes down, because you guys know how it be in winter, so I'm trying to just take a lot of pictures, because next week I'm gonna be like studying, so I won't really have time to create content. But yeah, so you guys are probably gonna be seeing all those pictures on my Instagram. So if you ain't following me, like, what is you doing? Okay, get your life together. Yeah, I think that's it, you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I love you guys so much. Please make sure that you are staying safe during this time, and love and light to all.